Hello students, today we all of know or learn about the chapter why do we fall ill? Why do we fall ill? The next topic is how the communicable diseases spread in our atmosphere from one person to another person. The infectious diseases infectious diseases is two types. Number one, communicable. And second is non-communicable. Non-communicable. We all of know in the previous session what is the infectious diseases. The diseases which are caused by the infectious agent is known as infectious diseases. What are the infectious agents? Infectious agents कौन है? That is bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoans. These are the various infectious agents which are caused by the diseases in our body. Then it is two types. Number one, communicable, and second is non-communicable. So first of all, we know what is communicable infectious diseases. Communicable infectious diseases, those infectious diseases which transmit in our atmosphere from one person to another person by the various ways is known as communicable diseases. That is common cold, flu, typhoid, malaria. These are the various communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases, the diseases which are the infectious diseases which are not transmits or transferred from one person to another person is known as non-communicable diseases. That is tetanus. Tetanus is a non-communicable disease. The pathogen of tetanus is bacteria, but it not transmit from one person to another person. In this disease, our nerves and muscles are affected. Our nerves and muscles are affected, do not work properly. But it does not transmit from one person to another person. Means जिसको टिटनेस हुआ है वो उसी तक सीमित रहेगा. उसको कोई छुएगा या कोई उसको छुएगा तो उसमें वो ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा. इट इज अ नॉन कम्युनिकेबल इन्फेक्शियस डिसीजेस. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, हाउ कम्युनिकेबल डिसीजेस आर ट्रांसफर. transmission of communicable diseases. Transmission of या spreading of communicable diseases. Communicable diseases. The communicable diseases are transmitted by the various ways. The number one, through air. Through air. The subcommunicable diseases are transmitted from one region or from one area to another area or from one person to another person by the air. The best examples are through air is the common cold. When sneezing occurs in our body, the droplets of sneeze moves through air from one region to another region. From one region to another region, and the person where present affected to common cold. So these are the diseases which are transmitted through the air. ऐसी बहुत सारी डिसीजेज हैं जो एयर के थ्रू एक जगह से दूसरी जगह फैल जाती हैं या पहुंच जाती हैं, उनके पैथोजेंस. सेकेंड, थ्रू फूड एंड वाटर. थ्रू फूड एंड वाटर. Food and water. Some communicable diseases are transmitted from one person to another person by eating or taking contaminated foods and waters. Means जिस फूड को हम ले रहे हैं या जिस वाटर को हम ले रहे हैं उसमें पैथोजेंस प्रेजेंट है, और जो भी व्यक्ति उस फूड या वाटर को लेगा वो भी इन्फेक्टेड हो जाएगा. तो थ्रू द वाटर एंड फूड्स, जैसे फूड पॉइजनिंग, हेपेटाइटिस, कॉलरा, these are the various diseases which are caused by which are transferred by the food and water. Typhoid also transmit through the food and waters. Next, through contact. Contact. The communicable diseases transmit from one person to another person by the contact, by touching. The contact is two types: direct contact and indirect contact. In direct contact, when the one person touch their skin to another person, is known as direct contact. Indirect contact, the substance or material used for a healthy person to the infected person. Means कोई भी संक्रमित व्यक्ति है, इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन है, उसके किसी भी यूज की हुई चीज को यूज करना. जैसे उसका टॉवेल है. बहुत सारी फंगस डिसीज होती हैं. फंगल डिसीज में बॉडी आफ्टर बाथिंग he used towel for soaking water. The spores of fungus reach in the towels, and the healthy person who used this towel also infected the fungus. वो भी उससे इन्फेक्टेड हो जाएगा। बाय यूजिंग कॉम, बाय शेयरिंग कॉम, बाय शेयरिंग नीडल, बाय शेयरिंग क्लॉथेस, शर्ट, इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन स्किन डिसीज है, दूसरा कोई इसको पहनेगा उसको भी हो जाएगी। ब्रश, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो इनडायरेक्ट कॉन्टेक्ट के थ्रू फैलती है। वेरियस स्किन डिसीजेस, दैट इज स्केबीज, हर्पीज, रिंगवर्म। नेक्स्ट, थ्रू fluids, through body fluids. Body fluids. Body fluids during the blood donation and other activities, when the body fluids are transmitted from one person to another person, the fluid contain pathogens, and these pathogens infect to healthy person. That is by the donation of bloods. The best example of by body fluids, AIDS, hepatitis, through vectors. Through vectors. Some diseases, some communicable diseases transmit from one person to another person by certain vectors. These vectors are carry pathogen and transmit communicable diseases. That is malaria. It is transmitted through the vector of mosquito. And next disease, malaria, is also transmitted the vector of mosquito, fly, house fly, various vectors which transmit infectious diseases from one person to the another person. Next, so these are the various diseases which are transmitted from one person to another person by the various ways.